Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a 2021 KTM 250SXF WP shock Revalve. This shock was set up for motocross riding and for a pro A-class level. The stock spring rate has been used as it is perfect for the rider's weight at 145. The JBI suspension bladder kit was also added to this build. This replaces the stock piston setup that normally comes with these WP shocks. You will see that bladder kits are a very common upgrade on all WP shocks and among all suspension tuners. JBI has settings for motocross, off-road, freestyle, arena cross, you name it, man. We got a ton of settings for these WP shocks. So if you got something else besides motocross, let us know, we can help you out. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. All right, guys, thanks for watching.